Feel free to pause and check out the key vocabulary on screen.
Part 1. Startups and the Economic Environment. AA. Hey Trang, have you been following the news about the global economy lately? B. Yes. The economic growth is slowing down, and some countries are even facing a recession. A. I know, and the inflation rate is crazy high. It's messing with demand and supply across markets. B. Exactly. Even Vietnam's GDP, gross domestic product, is expected to drop this quarter. A. That's why the interest rate was raised again. It's bad for borrowers. B. And the unemployment rate is climbing too. Not a good time for a startup, right? A. Well, unless you're a bold entrepreneur with a clear plan and solid research.
Feel free to pause and check out the key vocabulary on screen.
Part 2. Managing and expanding a business. A. My brother just launched a small business and he's trying to boost productivity and cut costs. B. Nice. Is he aiming to generate income or expand the business in the future? A. A bit of both. But he knows if things go wrong, he might go bankrupt. B. That's the risk when you run a business, especially when trying to break into a market.
Feel free to pause and check out the key vocabulary on screen.
Part 3. Profit, investment, market share, M and A. A. His main goal now is to increase revenue and improve the profit margin. B. Smart. If he can grow the market share, investors might be interested. A. Yeah, they're even calculating the return on investment for each quarter. B. I heard they're planning a merger and acquisition deal with a local competitor.
Feel free to pause and check out the key vocabulary on screen.
Part 4. Idioms and mindsets in business. A. I guess his product is becoming a real cash cow now. B. Lucky him. Some companies are still in the red, while he's in the black. A. Well, it's a win-win situation for both the founders and customers. B. Yeah, he knows how to think outside the box and never cuts corners. A. Now it's time to get down to business and scale things up.
Feel free to pause and check out the key vocabulary on screen.
Part 5. Macro and microeconomics. Tax, monopoly, supply chain. A. I'm reading about macroeconomics and how government policies impact inflation. B. I prefer microeconomics. It's more about consumer behavior and pricing. A. Do you think monopoly is still a problem in today's markets? B. Definitely. It affects the entire supply chain and disrupts fair competition. A. That's why tax policy must be smart and adaptive.